Alright, today we're going to be covering how you can use an if statement with multiple criteria or multiple conditions within Excel. So here in this example, we have some names of employees that work for our business, the status if they're full-time, part-time, contract work, how long they've been with the company, their salary, and what they got on their last performance review. And so what we want to know is if this employee qualifies for a yearly bonus. And here we have 4 conditions in order for that employee to receive the yearly bonus. They have to be full-time, they have to have worked for the company for 2 or more years, they need to be making less than $200,000 a year, and they needed to get a 4 or higher on their performance review. So in this column here, we want to return a simple yes or no if they've received the bonus or not. So what we want to do is create an if statement that will determine if all of these individual employees received a bonus or not. And we can see that Jack is full-time, he's been there for more than 2 years, makes less than $200,000, and he got a 4 or higher on his review. So Jack should receive the bonus, which we want to indicate with a yes here. So what we can do is do an if statement, and how if statements work is you first are going to display a logical test. And if that test is true, it will display something, or if it's false, it will display another thing. Now there are kind of 2 ways you can do this. You can create a nested if statement, but those can get super tricky, long, and convoluted. So what we're going to do is use an if statement with a Boolean function or the AND function. So in this case, we want our logical tests to basically be 4 different tests. So what we can do is type if and this will allow us to create as many logical tests within our if statement that we want without creating nested ifs. So first, we want to make sure that this cell is going to display full-time. So we want this to equal, in quotes, full-time. And if that is true, we want it to go on to the next test, which would be if that is greater than or equal to 2 for 2 years. Comma, our next logical test is going to be if this is less than 200,000. And then our last test is going to be if this review, if F2 is greater than or equal to 4, we want that to be displayed as true. And then we will end the parenthesis there. So that is going to be the logical test for our if statement. Basically what this is going to do is that if all of those 4 criteria are met, it will display true. And so now we need to decide what we want this if formula to say if this is true. So comma, we want that to say yes. As in yes, they're going to receive their bonus. And if not, we want it to display no, they're not going to be receiving a bonus. And we can end that with a parenthesis. So basically this AND function is allowing us to search for multiple criteria within this single if statement. If we go ahead and hit enter, we can see that yes, that worked correctly, and we can then double click this arrow in the bottom right corner of the cell to drag that formula down. And let's just do some spot checking here with Sandra. She would not qualify for a bonus because her review was too low, so that would be no. Jerry is full-time, more than 2 years, less than 200,000, 4 or higher, so yes, he receives his bonus. So there you have it. That's how you can use an if statement with multiple criteria or conditions within Excel. In this case, we used 4 criteria, but you can use as many as you'd like or as little as you'd like using the if and statement combo. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.